This is how you can send a secret message. You need a colored paper sheet. Fold it in half and draw half heart in its center. And now it's time to cut it out. Now we have a heart to ourselves. But we need two. And for that, we will repeat the same process. Once you have two hearts of the same size, write your secret message on one of the hearts. You can write anything you want, after all it's a secret. Here I'm writing a few positive affirmations to myself, because I don't have anyone to share my secrets with. Just kidding. I am self-obsessed. To make my message look prettier, I will cut a heart strip, but in red color to make it pop. Now we will stick these hearts together. Make sure the side where you've written the message is placed on the inside. That's how you'll hide it, and we're done. I hope you liked my video. Like, subscribe and share.